Hi my dear friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my latest 10 handmade cards, 1 homemade kit items that I had pulled in my stash so that I can make my 10 cards. If you are new to my channel or new to this series, I try to do one every other month, maybe. No, I think it's every other month. It's not every month. But anyways, I will pull out some items from my stash and make 10 handmade cards out of it. This was inspired by all of the card kits that I've seen in the past, and although they're really pretty and I would like to buy some of them as well, I just kind of think that I have a lot more stuff in my stash already that I can actually put together my own kit. So let's get started. The bag is from Studio Calico, and I just got that from I got like a clearance card kit a long time ago, and it came in this really cute bag. And so I just kind of store all of my products here that I plan on using, but when I'm putting them together, I actually put them in a different container so that they're open. Okay, so let me share with you the pattern paper. When I make kits, either for card making or for scrapbooking, I always have to have a kind of an inspiration product so that I can base all the other things that I pull out from my stash with that specific. It binds all of the other items together, and it's usually the color scheme that I go for. So for my papers, I'm working with this quite old Chimel line, and it's True Stories. And as you can see, there's just scraps, maybe some 12 by some whole 6 by 6 rather, but most of them are just scraps. So the color scheme that I'm kind of going for are the pretty basic primary colors, which is red, green, and kind of this dark blue, but I also am going to incorporate some green. So those are the colors that I pulled for this stash, and that matches with the cardstock that I pulled out. I have a beige one, I have a white one, I have a green and a blue, and then a yellow. Now, the reason why I picked 5 cardstocks are because these are going to be my base for my cards. If you have an 8.5 by 11 and then you cut it, it's going to be a 4.25 by 5.5 card, which is the A2 size card. And because I don't have a yellow, I pulled out from my 12 by 12, so I can have extra papers that I can use within my card designs. But those are the card stocks that I'm going to be using. So since I can get 2 out of each of the 8.5 by 11, I can make 10 out of the 5 card stocks. Okay, and then for stamps, I actually pulled out 2. Now this is new to me. I got it at Tuesday morning, and it's a kind of a theme of baby page. Specifically, it's a boy baby pages, or baby, not baby pages, but baby themed stamp. And I don't really have a lot of congratulatory for baby type cards, and so I thought that I would make some with this particular kit. So I thought it was really cute with the monkey and with the cow, and I can totally change it up. I know that the train is more typical boy, but I can always change the color of this onesie to a pink, and it would become like a girl themed one. And also the baby bottle could be pink to accommodate for a girl themed baby card. I also pulled out this small one. They're just fruits. This is really old, from Studio G. This is when I used to get little stamps like this at Michael's, and I like these ones because I can actually create this for a background and make my own background paper for my cards. So we'll see how that goes. And then I have this other one, and this is a combination of a stencil and a stamp from Heidi Swapp. I like this one because it has a pretty bold title, and it's script. I'm a sucker for script right now. And then the stencil are just dots, which is very basic, that I can use for whatever I can think of as far as the design goes. So that's another one. And then for some more tools, I have this corner concepts, and it's called loops. This is from Diversions. I used to be in their design team, so I have a few of their die cuts, but this is really cute because you can create a scallop corner. So I'm going to see if I can use that. And then another one from Diversions is this happy, I forgot what do you call these kinds of dies where they're connected. I think it's edge dies is that what they're called. But it's just happy, so maybe I can make happy birthday or happy for you or something like that. So as you can see, these tools I've had for a long time, but I haven't really used them in a while. So I'm pulling them out and seeing if I still like them. If really I don't have any use for them, or I've lost interest and inspiration for them, I'm just going to put them in a pile where I could either sell or donate. And then a few more things. Now these ones I've actually used in an old or in a previous homemade card kit, but I'm recycling them because as you can see there's only 4 left in there, and then there's only 2 left in here on the congratulations rub-on. So I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, that I can just use them all up. And then I have this washi that I got a long time ago at Tuesday Morning, and has kind of a brown bronze type, and it's just solid. So we're gonna see if I can use it. If not, at least I can open it up and kind of play with it and not put it in my new pile because it's not new anymore. And then I also have this twine for American Crafts. It's I have had it for a while, but as you can see, there's still plastic in there, so I haven't really opened it and used it, and it's just blue. So I thought that it will add more blues since I don't have a lot of blues within this paper already. So we'll see. And then finally, for like finishing touches, I have 2 glitters. These are from, if you can see, Mainstay. So those are from Walmart, and I've had this for a while. This one, these are, they're kind of chunky type glitter. They're not really fine, but we'll see what I can do with them. Maybe make shaker cards or something. So again, these are items that I've had for a while in my stash that I'm just kind of seeing if I can revive my love for them. And if not, then of course I'm just going to get rid of them, because there's no point in keeping items in our stash or in our scrapbook room or scrapbook space if we're really not going to use it, right, guys? So make sure that if you like this kinds of videos, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because I usually share all of the supplies that I'm going to be using, and then the next 2 videos will be the process videos that showing how I create my cards. So make sure that you subscribe so you will not miss out on those videos. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time. Bye.